Okay, now let's see. We have to write a program to declare the result based on the following rules. If the marks earned is between 85 to 100, we have to display distinction. If it is 60 to 84, first class, and so on. Okay, let's start. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, then comes void main, and now we need to accept the marks. So int marks. Now since there seems to be a gap between 84 and 85, to which category does it fall to which grade does it fall to if a person gets 84.5? Since it is not very clear, let's treat it as an int so that it never goes into decimal places. So int marks, clear screen, prompt, so enter the marks. Okay, cin marks. Okay, and now we have to start checking. If marks is greater than or equal to, keep referring to it, uh, keep referring to the 85 to 100. That means it should be greater than 85 and marks is less than or equal to 100. Now the reason we have to check for less than 100 is because the user may enter 105. So which and remember, we are basically talking in terms of percentages. So the marks is going to be entered in percent. So it can't be more than 100%. Okay, so cout. So we will display what? We will display distinction. Okay, now if not, so that comes under else. But now further categories are there. So again we have to check if marks is greater than 60, right? 60, greater than or equal to 60, and marks is less than or equal to 84, then cout what? First class. Okay, now if it is not even in that range, then again we have to check if marks is greater than or equal to 50 and marks is less than or equal to 60, then cout is second class. Okay, now here we can't put 60 because then 60 here also, so there might duplication may occur. So this should be 59. So second class, and else again a condition if marks is greater than or equal to 35 and marks is less than or equal to 49, then cout is second class pass. Okay, else else what happens? Can we put it as fail? No. Again we have to check, because if he has entered more than 100, that is also a check we have to make. So if marks is greater than or equal to 0 and marks is less than or equal to 34, then Cout fail. Else, now this else would be either negative numbers or above 100. So invalid marks entered, right? So that completes our entire line of ifs. And get ch. Okay, now let's run it. Great. Let's start with minus number. Okay, let's enter 9, fail. Let's enter 34, fail. Let's enter 35, pass. Let's enter 49, pass. Let's enter 55, second class. 75, first class. And 90, fail. 90, distinction. Great. So now let's save it and file, quit. So that was a nice set of complicated or deeply nested